The tool itself drives the nails perfect.
To have to go back and reset nails that you already went through, like, it's a time saver to get it right the first time, and I know that with the Milwaukee nailer, it is nailing flush every time. No compressor, no hose. It's fantastic to just grab your nailer and go to work.
Using this finish nailer compared to the other pneumatics has been spectacular. The tool is very accommodating as far as the size.
Are you ready? I'd like to introduce you to DEWALT POWERSTACK. 50% more power, 25% smaller size, 15% less weight, 2 times the life. DEWALT is the world's first major power tool brand to utilize pouch cell technology for the construction industry.
Introducing our new line of cordless SDS Max hammers. These high-powered rotary hammers aren't your average cordless power tool. They're Hitman. With the bi-turbo brushless technology, coupled with the core 18V battery platforms on the 8.0 and 12.0 batteries, these will handle any concrete job you can throw at them. Whether that's doing chipping for demolition work or drilling for anchors or dowels, these are going to be the cordless SDS Max Hitman hammers you need to cut the cord.
The Delta 10-inch Contractor table saw is equipped to meet the needs of pros and serious woodworkers. The Delta Contractor saw has 30-inch right rip capacity and cabinet saw features at an affordable price. The 15-amp motor with smooth belt drive will rip even the toughest stock with ease. The Biesmeyer-style T-square fence glides easily, and single-handle lockdown is rock solid and accurate to a 32nd of an inch across its full length for precision cuts every single time. There's even a handy flip-down fence for small cuts or thin stock. Delta knows when it comes to precision, vibration is your enemy, so this saw is built on a tubular stand with a cast iron tabletop for cuts so smooth, they even pass the nickel test. Need to move the saw around your shop or garage? One touch with the pedal and you're on the move. The Delta Contractor saw is a great choice to be the center of your wood shop. Delta, the measure of precision.